Hi friends, I'm Heather from Strings and Threads. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this beginner-friendly Suzette Stitch dishcloth. It's worked flat, uses a simple 2-row repeat, and is perfect if you want something quick and useful. This stitch is great for dishcloths, washcloths, and even blankets. For this project, I'm using Knitpal Cotton to the Core in DK weight with a 4mm crochet hook. I love the softness and stitch definition on this yarn, but you can use any cotton yarn you like. Just adjust your hook size as needed, and you'll need a pair of scissors. Cotton works best for dishcloth because it's durable and absorbent. Start with a slip knot. To start, chain 24. This gives me a dishcloth that's about 6 inches wide. You can chain any even number to adjust the width. Row 1 starts in the second chain from the hook. We'll be working a single crochet and a double crochet into the same stitch. That single crochet and double crochet together create the Suzette stitch. Now skip the next chain, and in the following chain work a single crochet and a double crochet in the same stitch. Repeat across. Skip one, put a single crochet and a double crochet in the next stitch. When you reach the end of the row, you should finish with a single crochet in the last chain. For row 2, chain 1 and turn. We're going to work the Suzette stitch into the single crochet from the row below. Insert the hook into the single crochet, single crochet, and double crochet into the same stitch. Skip the next stitch and then repeat across. Finish with a single crochet in the turning chain. From here, you repeat the row that we just did until it's your desired length. Once you're happy with the size, fasten off and weave in your ends. This stitch has great texture and makes a sturdy, beginner-friendly dishcloth. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like and subscribe. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Happy crocheting!